Tired of complicated dinners? Here is why one pot meals will change your gluten-free cooking forever. If your gluten-free dinners feel overcomplicated and are just too much, let me show you why you need to come over to the dark side of one pot meals. It seriously will save you so much time this week. Hey, it's Alicia Falcorton, your gluten-free bestie from Simply Gluten-Free Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you all about why you need to be cooking more one-pot meals for your gluten-free family. I'm telling you, they're so much easier. You're going to save so much time, especially for those super busy school nights. We have the sports, we have theater, we have band, PTA meetings. Who knows? It's just always busy, right? So the less time we can take preparing and making a meal, and then hello, less dishes, the better. Why one pot meals work? You literally throw everything into one pot, let it cook, and it's ready to go. Way less dishes, not super complicated, and so good for those busy weeknights. How one pot meals save you time and stress. So we talked about throwing everything into one pot, taking out a bunch of the complicated steps, cooking it down, it's ready to go. And it can be even easier if you have the plan in place and you prep some of the veggies and things ahead of time. So it's already ready to go in your refrigerator. You throw it into the one pot, it's good to go. A couple of my favorite one pot meals that I actually cook inside of my pressure cooker, but you could totally cook them in a slow cooker as well, is the white chicken chili recipe. Oh, it is so good and definitely a family favorite. And my kids also love pressure cooker jambalaya. Speaking of super easy one pot meals that the family will absolutely love, I just gave you 2 ideas, but how about I give you 12 more? I have a free 14-day gluten-free one pot meal plan just for you. It's down in the comments. Just click the link and get it for yourself. I have all the recipes for you, the shopping lists, some tips and tricks. It's really going to simplify your meal plan for the next couple of weeks. I really do hope that you feel inspired to give one pot meals a try. They really do help with gluten-free cooking, and they're so versatile and easy to make. If you love these tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. Before you go, I would love for you to pop down in the comments below, what is the most stressful part of dinner for you? I'd love to get a conversation going with our other gluten-free besties out there and answer some questions and maybe provide some help and support. Until next time.